In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you access Gemini Pro and Gemini Advanced. Let's get started. First, launch your Gemini app or navigate to the official website of Gemini, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now, at the top right, you're going to find the option of upgrade. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're going to find different subscription plan, Google AI Plus, Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. You will need to upgrade to Google AI Pro as this includes Gemini Pro and Gemini Advanced features. Now go ahead and click on the option Get Google AI Pro. You will need to provide your payment details. Fill this. Provide debit or credit card details, likewise your billing address. Then click on the option Save Card and go through the process to complete this purchase process. And that's it. You'll get access to Gemini Pro as well as Gemini Advanced. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.